Today let's talk about Pi Network, a project aiming to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just tech experts or investors. Imagine earning digital currency from your phone without expensive hardware or draining your battery. Pi Network was created by Stanford graduates to build a global, inclusive financial community. Millions of pioneers worldwide are part of this movement, working toward a more decentralized future. The big milestone ahead is the open mainnet launch, when Pi becomes a fully live blockchain. Recent updates from the core team are a call to action. The future is near, and it's time to get ready. This is your chance to be part of history, like those who saw the internet's potential early on. Pi isn't just about earning currency, it's about building a network where the community holds the power. The update is a roadmap guiding us to unlock the full Pi ecosystem. Now is the time to focus, complete your checklists, and help others do the same. We're witnessing the birth of a new digital economy, built by and for the people. Mobile mining has created one of the largest, most engaged crypto communities. The next phase is about real-world uses and applications, powered by all of us. Let's get ready to bring Pi to life. Let's dive into Condition 2, the key requirement for Pi's open mainnet launch. It's about full decentralization and ecosystem readiness. Decentralization means no single group controls the network. Power is shared among all users. Your Pi will be secured on a public ledger, maintained by thousands of global nodes. The network must be robust and independent, able to run securely forever. But decentralization alone isn't enough. A currency needs real-world utility. That's why the Pi ecosystem must be ready, with apps, services, and businesses accepting Pi. Think of it as building a digital city, not just roads, but shops, schools, and entertainment. The core team encourages developers to build on Pi, creating a vibrant marketplace. Condition 2 ensures Pi is valuable, usable, and ready for millions. It's the final quality check before the grand opening. Every pioneer must complete KYC, Know Your Customer, to verify they're a real, unique person. This ensures fairness. One person, one account, preventing fake accounts from devaluing Pi. KYC is your digital passport, confirming you're a genuine member of the Pi community. It protects the network from bots and bad actors, securing everyone's efforts. Completing KYC is essential to claim and migrate your mined Pi to mainnet. Without it, your Pi can't be transferred or used in the live ecosystem. The core team has made KYC scalable, combining automation and human validation. If you're invited, complete KYC promptly. If waiting, stay ready and check the app. This step is non-negotiable. It bridges mining and real-world utility. KYC is your declaration of commitment to the new digital economy. Don't miss your chance to be part of Pi's future. After KYC, it's time to set up your Pi wallet, your personal, secure vault. Only you control your wallet. Your passphrase is the key, so keep it safe and private. Write your passphrase on paper, store it securely, and never share it, not even with the core team. Lose your passphrase, and your Pi is gone forever. Once your wallet is ready, confirm your address in the Pi app's mainnet checklist. This ensures your Pi is sent to the right place during migration. The core team has built a system to migrate millions of balances to mainnet. When your Pi appears in your wallet, it becomes real cryptocurrency you can use. You'll be able to send, receive, and spend Pi in the growing ecosystem. Preparing your wallet is your final step to true digital ownership. Take it seriously. This is your gateway to the new economy. Be responsible and get ready to control your financial future. The journey from miner to active participant starts here. What can you do with your Pi? The most immediate use is payments. Imagine buying coffee, groceries, or services with Pi right from your phone. Pi aims to be a peer-to-peer digital currency for everyday transactions worldwide. Transactions are fast and have low fees, unlike many other cryptocurrencies or banks. You can send value globally in seconds, opening new possibilities for commerce and remittances. Even now, pioneers are trading goods and services for Pi, proving its real-world value. These early transactions lay the foundation for a larger commercial ecosystem. As open mainnet approaches, more merchants will accept Pi, both online and offline. The value of Pi will come from its utility, not speculation. Every transaction strengthens the network and increases Pi's value for everyone. Pi isn't just a currency, it's a Web3 platform for decentralized apps, dApps. Imagine an app store powered by Pi, where you control your data and earn rewards. Developers are building social platforms, play-to-earn games, freelance marketplaces, and more. The Pi browser is your portal to this ecosystem, letting you use dApps and your wallet securely. Hackathons have sparked innovation, with projects from e-commerce to healthcare. These apps give Pi real, sustainable value and utility. Ecosystem readiness is vital. Pi needs a thriving digital country of apps. As pioneers, we're not just users but explorers and supporters. By using and giving feedback on apps, we fuel the system's growth. The future of Pi is in using it to engage with a vibrant world of decentralized services. Pi Network's strength is its community. Millions of pioneers worldwide. We built the network by inviting friends, securing it with our circles, and now preparing for mainnet. Our first job, get ourselves ready, complete the mainnet checklist, KYC and wallet setup. But we must also help our teams and friends do the same. The network's success depends on everyone taking action and supporting each other. We're also the first users and critics of Pi apps, shaping the ecosystem with our feedback. When we use Pi for goods and services, we show businesses the value of joining. Our collective action drives the ecosystem forward. The community also upholds Pi's values: inclusivity, support, and education. We must counter misinformation, stay patient, and focus on the long-term vision. We're not just users, we're co-builders of a movement. The spirit of collaboration will launch us into a successful open mainnet. Together, we shape Pi's future. Let's turn knowledge into action with a clear plan. First, mine every day. Tap the lightning button and remind your team to do the same. This daily habit keeps the network strong and maximizes your Pi. Second, complete the mainnet checklist. Download Pi browser, create your wallet, save your passphrase, confirm your address, and finish KYC. If you're waiting for KYC, check the app regularly and be patient. Completing the checklist is mandatory for mainnet migration. Third, explore the Pi ecosystem now. Try dApps in the Pi browser. Join the Fireside Forum and test hackathon apps. Your engagement provides valuable feedback and prepares you for the future. Don't wait for open mainnet. Start participating today. Every step you take brings the network closer to launch. Your curiosity and action are catalysts for growth. Help your team stay informed and be proactive. The future of Pi depends on all of us. We're at a pivotal moment in crypto history. Pi's journey has been about patience, belief, and community. The open mainnet launch is coming, but its success depends on our collective action. Condition 2, decentralization and ecosystem readiness, shows Pi's maturity. The core team is building for the long term, not short-term hype. Our job is to match their dedication with preparation and engagement. Imagine a future where you use Pi globally, own your assets, and access fair, transparent apps. This is the future we're building, step by step, together. Stay engaged, help others, and be a positive force in the community. The world is watching. Let's show the power of a united network. The next era of Pi is here. Let's shape it and build a better decentralized future. The best is yet